Well, at Phoenix, the values that we have are plastered on our conference room walls, and it's something we talk about daily, routinely. It's a privilege to be able to do what we do, even though it's frustrating at times. And I mean, I went to Mass yesterday. You know, the message out there is to take care of your brothers and your sisters. And we're one great big family, and we've been divided in this nation pretty harshly recently. And it's time for us to really try to come together, and to be able to have a foundation of faith is very important. So being a 24-hour-a-day business, it's comforting to somebody to know that they can pick up the phone and somebody's going to be able to react and come out and help them in their time of need and provide some comfort and help them get through this tough time that they're dealing with. The beauty of this business is it's really a service business, and to have the heart of a servant is really at the core of what we do. We can teach everything else. If you're a good person and you care about helping people, and you will do what needs to be done when it needs to be done and have the integrity to follow through, this is a great business to be in. It's been very rewarding over the last 20 years to see how Phoenix has grown from a bootstrap business in the basement of my house to what it's become today, where we have career opportunities and paths for people. And some of our younger members who are still just really cutting their teeth in this business have the foundation of being able to be caring people, which is way more important than the technical aspect of being a contractor. We can get the technical work done. It's just really about the compassion that our folks have for the situations that our customers and clients are going through. So I think when we look at the work that we have to do on a daily basis, it's not so much that we have to do it, it's that we actually get to do it. And to be able to go out and take something that is a tragic situation and turn it around and bring it back to where it was, if not better, that's extremely rewarding for our people to go out there and provide that kind of service.